In the heart of Mumbai lies a forest where the dead are not buried and not cremated. Instead, they are left out in the open to be consumed by vultures. This is a morbid history bite. It's called Dungarwadi, and it's sacred ground for followers of Zoroastrianism, an ancient Persian religion that believes dead bodies are unclean. To avoid contaminating fire, water, or earth, the deceased are placed inside towers of silence, circular stone platforms open to the sky. There, vultures do what vultures do: strip the body to the bone in under an hour. Bones are then left to bleach in the sun and eventually drop into a central pit. It's not cruelty, it's cosmic recycling, a sacred return to nature, humble, reverent, and unnerving to outsiders. Right above the noise of Mumbai, the dead are being given back to the sky. Follow this page for more true stories darker than fiction. And for even deeper dives into our collective past, download the Morbid History Podcast. I'm your host, Thomas Gloom. And as always, remember, history can be a lot of things, including morbid.